friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to prepare Goan style chicken curry. Goans call it as chicken Xacuti. Now let's see how to prepare it. First, we have to marinate the chicken. For marinating, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, one teaspoon of red chili powder. You can add 2 to 3 teaspoons of red chili powder as per your requirement. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of curd. We have used homemade curd. You can use vinegar or lemon juice if you don't want to use curd. Now give it a good mix. We have used half kg chicken. Now keep it aside for 15 to 30 minutes. Now in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. We have used both ghee and coconut oil for better taste. Now add 1 sliced onion. Fry it till golden brown. Now add the marinated chicken. Mix it well. Cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now you can see that the chicken is almost cooked. Now add chicken Xacuti masala. We have shown the preparation of this masala in our previous video. The link is given in the description box. Do watch it. Add required water and mix it well. You can use this chicken Xacuti with rice, appam, dosa, parota, chapati. Now add salt and mix it well. Please try this recipe and give your comments in the comment box. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. Share it with your friends and family. Now it is almost boiled. Now add the coriander leaves Mix it well. Now chicken Xacuti is ready. Serve it hot. And thank you for watching.